Hi, I'm David Andrew from David Andrew Coaching. I'm a qualified coach, mentor, and keynote speaker. My background is in business development, and I've worked in the public sector for 26 years. Why did I become a business and life coach? Well, in 2009, I faced extreme personal life challenges by making mistakes that clouded my judgment. You might have heard this saying that there is a light at the end of a dark tunnel. It is true. By practicing what I learned and by God's grace, I live a debt-free, healthy, and a comfortable lifestyle. I said, if I can do it, anyone can. Now I'm pursuing my mission by offering help to inspire individuals in a holistic way who have a desire to succeed but feel stuck or on the crossroads. I can help them become highly productive, find satisfaction in their professional career and personal life. So how does the church benefit from my coaching workshops? Well, the church and the individuals benefit in several ways. I've highlighted a few points that will be enhanced and become visibly evident in their lives. Individuals will feel inspired, motivated, confident about taking responsibilities, serving in humility, and leading others to do the same. They will be strengthened physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. They will gain clear understanding about their purpose in life. Their family and church life will harmonize holistically. So how does my coaching work best in developing a leadership mindset? Well, delegates attend either 1 or 2 day interactive workshops using a range of training toolkits. The toolkit focuses on mindset development. Although aptitude is essential, but developing a good attitude for leadership plays a very crucial part in personal growth and development. I implement a coaching framework and a combination of coaching models and leadership tools based on biblical teachings. There are several, but the 5 that I focus on are: Finally, there is a call to action that enables clarity, commitment, consistency, and accountability. I also provide support to individuals who prefer in-depth one-to-one coaching. To find out more and for a free consultation, visit my website, email me, or you can find me on social media platforms.